In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Air Canada flight status step by step. If you want to see whether a flight is on time, delayed, or scheduled as expected, Air Canada makes it fairly simple to look that up on its official website. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the two main ways to search by flight number or by route. To get started, go to the Air Canada flight status page on the official Air Canada website. Once the page loads, look for the flight status section and click on it if needed. This will take you to the area where you can begin your search. The first option is to find a flight by flight number. This is usually the fastest and most accurate method if you already know the specific flight you're looking for. On the page, choose the option to search by flight number. Then click into the flight number field and type in the flight number carefully. Make sure the number is entered correctly, since even a small mistake can bring up the wrong result or no result at all. After that, select the departure date for the flight. This is important because the same flight number may operate on multiple days, so choosing the correct date helps narrow down the exact flight you want to track. Once the flight number and date are entered, click Search. The website should then display the current status of that flight, along with any relevant timing information. If you don't have the flight number, you can also find a flight by route. On the same flight status page, switch to the option that lets you search by route instead. In the From field, enter the departure city or airport. Then in the To field, enter the arrival city or airport. After that, choose the departure date for the trip. When all of that information is filled in, click Search again. Air Canada will show available matching flights for that route and date. And from there, you can review the flight status information you need. A quick tip before you finish: if you're checking close to departure time, it can be helpful to refresh the page after a few minutes, since status information can update as the airline receives new operational details. Also, searching by flight number is usually best when you want one exact result, while searching by route is helpful if you're comparing multiple flights on the same day. And that's how to check Air Canada flight status using the official website.